Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload files to a shared Google Drive link. The easiest way, full 2026 guide. First, click on the shared link you received. This will open the folder in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that has permission to upload. Next, confirm that you have the right to upload. You should see an Add Files or Upload button. If you don't see it, double check with the folder owner. Click Add Files or drag and drop the file directly into the folder. You can upload documents, images, or even large media files. Just keep an eye on the folder storage limit. Yeah. After you select your file, Google Drive will start uploading. You'll see a small progress bar at the bottom right. Wait until it reaches 100% before closing the page or navigating away. Finally, make sure your file appears in the folder. You can refresh the page, check the timestamp, or even ask the folder owner to confirm just to be sure. And that's it. That's how you upload files to a shared Google Drive link. Super simple. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this.